Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TutoRealm, and in today's video I'm about to show you how you can check your own username or user ID on Discord. So without further ado, let's get right into it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open my Discord right here, go back, and in the top corner and top right corner you're going to see a picture. Okay, this is your profile. It would open up your profile, so you're going to click on that, right, this, and then you're gonna click, and as you can see, right right here is my username. Okay, the first one is my name, Sukrat Kiza, and right down to it it's sk.sukrat. That's my username right here. So it's just been copied. If you click on that, your username is going to copy, and if you were to send it to somebody, would send. So let's say I send it to my friend right here so that he can send me a friend request. Okay. So as you can see, guys, this is how you can copy and check up your username or user ID on Discord. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more such amazing updates. Until then, gracias.